guys, it's another video. Sorry, we have not been.
What?
Restart. Hello, we're gonna be making a cake today. Noah, get up. You wanna talk? Yeah, because I'm the child. But you have to be doing all the work. No.
Don't spill it.
I'm oldest.
Junior.
I'm fat, that's why, Aiden. I'm fat like Aiden.
Alright, here. Noah. Huh?
I'm the oldest, if you know.
Junior, don't put shells in there.
I'm not trying to, fatty.
Just crack the egg a little bit and then...
Okay, fatty.
Did you get the pan up?
Aiden's fatter than fat, where?
Yes, it is.
Bye, guys.
Right, add that.
Wait, should I introduce myself?
What?
Like, introduce myself? Because I'm literally...
I mean...
I've never been on
There we
this.
started.
Everybody's gonna be confused who I am, right?
We all come in actually 15.
I'm
Noah's friend. I'm not his brother.
Why is it wet, you weirdo?
Because they just washed it.
Noah, Aiden washed it with his secret white sauce.
Can I start?
No, it's there.
You need your hood on for this.
Aiden, did you poop?
Recorded.
12 years later. Still stirring. My secret white sauce.
What do you mean by that?
Stir the whole thing.
Okay, fatty.
Stir it fast for 2 minutes.
Okay, fatty.
Actually, medium speed.
Fast.
I'm saying double ripping. I think if we use only the egg whites,
I didn't know it'd be this sticky.
No, bro, that
It tastes
has
like a pinky foot, not thumbful.
It tastes okay.
Oh, you're getting salmonella.
Bro, how do you know about that? Only 6th graders know about that. Why is it?
Oh, they're here.
What?
Here, get your shoes on.
Be back in 20 minutes.
To be
Bye.
continued.
On the way to buy more ingredients. What? No, just kidding. We are going to QT. We'll be back in a couple minutes. Bye. Bye.
Selfie break! Then I will. Doesn't this look bigger?
What flavor is this?
We got some king.
Bro, it's so much. I don't.
we are back from.
We're gonna eat the cake in 45 minutes.
Bye.
Maybe 45 minutes, but bye.
Oh, I forgot we were recording.
Looks really good to eat. No, not really.
But still looks really good.
Yeah.
It's creamy peanut butter. Cream. Look at the little cream.
How is that so much?
Oh.
Bro, what the?
Looks so good.
Come down.
Comment if we should keep this guy in the videos.
Comment. Yeah, you.
Down for no, thumbs up yeah.
Yeah. I know. All we're gonna do is thumbs up. I know it.
My hands are a bit messy, but like, my hands are a bit messy.
ASMR.
That's about cooking.
Stop doing ASMR, man.
Goodbye.
No.
There's no hand